This is it, my friends. Solo Sleepover is back on. Which means... Jumping on the couch!
Making mud pies!
And eating whatever we want.
Thanks for helping, Bow Meow crew. Together, we'll figure this out.
What about flying, Flix? It's a classic superpower.
Great idea, Tabby. Guess I'm a land pup. But Burma, wait. We have a chance to be friends. Real friends. I've noticed you don't really hang out with many cats, and I don't really hang out with many dogs. So why don't we hang out for a while and see what we have in common?
Is this a trick?
No trick. And you'll get extra school credit, huh? How does that sound? Take a seat, my fine feline friend. Make yourself at home.
So you do want to race?
Eat my waves!
Flix, help!
Ha! I'm not falling for that!
I can't swim!
No wildcat gets left behind!
Oh, double rats!
Wildcats! Looks like someone is up the creek without a paddle.
Flix! Is he rescuing Burma Fang?
Now that's the ultimate outdoor cat.
You've got your overnight bags? Candy? Crisps?
I brought periwinkle pick and mix.
What about Senior Snugglewumps?
Can't snooze without him.
Then it looks like we're ready for our first solo sleepover! Woohoo! Fish-tastic! Yeah!
So, your mum and dad are definitely out all evening?
They're spending the night in a 5-star cattery. We can stay up till 10 o'clock. Maybe even 10:30.
The latest possible time.
Nothing can ruin this sleepover. Whoa, I look like a hero. Watch out, Superpower. Here I come.
He's
Super Flix. Super Flix.
He's
Super Flixy. Meow!
I get a theme tune? Possum!
Higher, Flix! Higher! I'm not like other cats. I love heights.
So do I. See? Another thing we have in common. We can be friends.
You really are a useless pug. Now look what you've done. We're doomed.
If we're going down together. We can still save ourselves. I'll use my doggy know-how. You use your cat skills. Now, Rolla! It's working! Prepare for emergency landing! Brace yourself, Burma!
Oh no, they're not gonna make it. They're so high and out of control.
Terminal velocity reached. Prepare for disaster.
Am I alive? Did we make it?
Best buddies!
That's your cue, Tabby.
But what if I can't do it?
We'll be right there with you.
Don't worry, Tabby. We've got you covered. Literally.
No, Flix. Take down the sheet. I've got to do this the right way.
Ow! Cat blues! Woo! Cat blues! Ooh!
The sun in my face. Another school day. Get me out of this place. Because I'm Tabby. This is the Tabby Cat Blues.
Ow! Row! Squeaky blues!